Hi, welcome to FutureByte Windows Clinic. Today we are going to solve a Windows problem. When you try to install Windows and you go to a point where you want to select the disk, the partition, and then all of a sudden you cannot proceed to install the Windows. I'm going to solve that in a minute. So when you are trying to install Windows and then all of a sudden you got to see that you cannot proceed, and what you could see is that Windows cannot be installed to the disk because your disk star is the GPT star. You don't have to worry, you just have to follow this switch. So as you can see, I'm trying to install Windows, and now I'm going to select the language, which I just did, and we don't need the serial code right now, so we are going to escape it now. Okay, so you see we have some partitions on the disk already, so I'm going to delete all the partitions and then repartition the disk, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to format and delete the disk so that I'll create a new partition. Okay, now after creating the partitions and I'm trying to install Windows, here is the problem. So you could see I got Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition star, so it's not a problem. We are going to solve this within a minute. You just have to follow this step. So without wasting time, we'll go back to where we start the Windows installation. To do so, what we are going to do is we are going to enter the command prompt. So by pressing both the shift and the F10 disk parts, where we are going to select the exact disk and then just convert the partition style to the MBR, which we are going to use for the installation. So now we just have to type disk parts, then press enter. Now we are into the disk parts. Now we are going to list the disk to see the disks that are online or the disks that are installed in the computer. So we are going to type list disk, then press enter. Okay, now we can see that we have two disks. The first one is the disk 0, which is the hard disk, and you can see it's 465 megabytes, approximately 500 megabytes, which we are going to work on. And the second one is the pen drive, but we are not going to work on the pen drive, so we are going to select the disk 0. So we just have to type select disk 0. Okay, so after that you just have to press on enter. So yeah, okay, now we have selected the disk 0. So all we need to do right now is to convert it to MBR. Very simple. So what we need to do right now is to type convert MBR and press enter, and our problem will be solved. So let's go to it. So convert MBR, and that's it. So once you tap enter, you will see that this part will tell you that they successfully converted the selected disk to MBR format. So that is the format that we need to continue with Windows installation. So now we have solved the problem. We have solved the GPT star problem now. So we will go back and then continue with our Windows installation. So without wasting time, we will quickly move to where we try to install the Windows. Okay, we are here now. Okay, select the language, which I'm going to select English. Okay, I don't need the serial code or activation code right now, so I'm going to escape it and then go to where I'll have to select the disk. Okay, now you could see that all the partitions are cleared. So I'm going to create a new partition, but first of all I still want to reformat it, then create a new partition. So usually I want to divide this into two, so which I will make two different partitions and install the Windows on one. So now I just formatted it, and then I'm just going to repartition it right now. So I'm going to divide it into two. So the first one is going to be 250 gig. Okay. Okay, here we are. We have the partitions now. Now I'm going to select one and then proceed with the Windows installation. So as you can see, the installation is now going. We don't have any problem again. Like this video, like, subscribe, and see you in the next FutureByte video.